the International Space Station. Right now, about 350 kilometers above you, a large satellite is orbiting the Earth. On board are scientists, at least 3. They could be asleep as you watch this video or listen to music or taking exercise, but most of the time, they are doing experiments. So what is this large satellite? The satellite is the International Space Station, or ISS. It's a floating lab where scientists from different countries carry out a range of experiments. These can be more exciting than usual since everything is weightless. Where do they get their oxygen? Inside the space station, the air is like dead on the Earth. The main gas is nitrogen, which does not get used up, but the oxygen does, and the scientists would die without a steady supply. There is no oxygen outside the space station, so where do they get it? First, they get it from the electrolysis of water. Here, a special polymer is used as the electrolyte. Water breaks down into hydrogen and oxygen. The scientists breathe the oxygen, and the hydrogen is veined to space. Second, they get it from oxygen candles. Actually, they use this as backup. They contain sodium chlorate mixed with iron powder. When the mixture is lit, the sodium chlorate starts breaking down to sodium chloride and oxygen. Some of the oxygen in turn reacts with the iron from iron powder, giving iron oxide, and this reaction gives out the heat needed to keep the main reaction going. Third, from oxygen cylinders. These are used for emergencies because it's too expensive to deliver oxygen cylinders from the Earth. The carbon dioxide that accumulates in the air is collected and veined to space. In future, it may be kept to grow plants. What is the International Space Station? International Space Station is a place to study the effects of low gravity, for example, on the human body and mind. Second, how liquid behaves. Third, the rate of chemical reactions. They expect to learn things that will be useful on Earth and on long journeys to other planets. Who owns the International Space Station? The International Space Station is jointly owned by the Space Agency of the United States of America, Russia, Japan, Canada, and the European Space Agency. They all send scientists to ISS. Other countries may join in or before the project ends, around 2022 or later. What about water? The scientists would die without water, so where does the water come from to drink and for electrolysis? The answer might surprise you. Mostly, the water comes from their own bodies. Yes, all urine is collected, so is the water vapor in the air from the scientist's breath, and any wastewater from washing. Don't worry, it is well treated because this water is filtered through many kinds of filters to remove dissolved substances and treated to kill bacteria. As a fun fact, this water ends up much purer than our drinking water down here on the Earth. As a backup, some containers of water are stored on board. Oh, there is backup for everything except for death. Time to grab a snack. Okay, we all know that sleeping is very important, so where do they sleep? The scientists sleep in sleeping bags tied to the wall or seat to stop them floating away because there's no gravity. They wear eye masks to keep the sunlight out. So how do they keep the light on? What about electricity? Easy. The other essential part is electricity. Solar panels on the wing of the space station convert sunlight to electricity. Some of this is used to charge batteries for the hours when the sun is hidden. You see, the space station orbits the Earth once every 90 minutes. This means that the scientists enjoy 16 sunrises and sunsets each day. The electricity from the sunlight is used for electrolysis and lighting, laptops, and music players. Cooking does not take much. What do they eat? The food is mostly dried red-made meals sent up from the Earth. Add water and warm in the oven. Two tests for water. If a liquid contains water, it will turn white hydrous copper 2 sulfate blue and turns blue cobalt chloride paper pink. Both color change can be reversed by heating. By the way, don't forget to like this video, and if you want to become a more proactive person, subscribe to the channel today. Press the button. Press the red button. Come on, press. What are you waiting for? Press it.